It is rare that one's dreams come true during a lifetime. I am one of those lucky mortals whose dreams have almost all come true. Even small steps, but taken daily, start producing results. A kind word, a helping hand, an effort to speak another language, an offer of help to someone small, weak, hurt, or sad.
One of the most beautiful aspects of Mrs. Fleming's charismatic personality was her loving kindness.
Every word she said was meaningful, kind, complimentary, and intended to make the person feel so comfortable.
Even headmasters were characterized by this sense of vision for our school.
She's actually still very present on campus. You can feel her presence and her influence and her touch.
The way Mrs. Fleming, I think, continues to influence the school is it feels like anything is possible at TASIS. There's so much to see. Let's get into a van and go and discover all these places.
Of course, internationalism, travel, and beauty, all of that is alive and well on the campus. And I think that's very much Mrs. Fleming's presence and touch and vision.
You could feel Mrs. Fleming's presence in a room.
She knew everyone by name, from the support staff to the faculty to the students.
She was just amazing. She had a kind of semi-photographic memory for people's names.
And then individually, she just had so much curiosity about students. She's legendary for knowing the names of every student, but she really put a lot of effort into knowing the students, and she truly enjoyed that.
I was touched by her kindness. She wanted to know me as a person, and that was tremendously important for me because I was only 23 years old.
We all know how important beauty was to Mrs. Fleming, to finding a beautiful location for a school, beautiful location for a picnic, beautiful location for a student trip. It didn't matter. And this tradition is carried on by her daughter, by Lynn Eschliman. I often characterize Mrs. Fleming as the founder and her daughter Lynn as the builder, the one who's built on that beauty.
This place is special to bring students from around the world to one place and to allow them the freedom to go out and experience different cultures and different places on their own.
She really built community at the school by making everyone feel comfortable and having them share that same respect and curiosity with their peers.
She was humble, she was kind, she was considerate.
She's a role model for me. Like, that's how I want to age, full of energy and dignity and inspiration.
It's an inspiration. Mrs. Fleming inspires.
Mrs. Fleming's small acts of kindness meant so much to our students.
Those of us who love TASIS like to think of it as a caring community with constant regard for others' well-being, a cheery good morning to those we pass as we start the day, a stretched out hand or arm to those who seem sad, depressed, or worried. It is so easy to show a sign of caring.